What's the best place to buy a patty in the Fort Lauderdale area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2022 in the Fort Lauderdale area.
You're up with this one because this is near
Yes.
and also dear to you.
Kingston 21. All right, so now we are in Fort Lauderdale. We asked, what is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery? And you said,
Taste right.
Taste Right. Taste Right Jamaican Bakery. So congratulations to you there.
I think Taste Right is actually a second time winner.
Right. So then we asked, where is the best place to buy Jamaican grocery? And you said Broward Meat and Fish Grocery. Congratulations, Broward. Then we asked, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And you said Dutch Pot Jamaican Restaurant. Congratulations. Then we asked, what is the best Jamaican Caribbean event you attended this year? And there is a tie. The Jamaican Jerk Festival and Barris Hammond concert. So congratulations to all our winners from Fort Lauderdale.